Hey folks, hey, listen to me close here. Don't let anybody tell you what's not possible, okay? I'm not saying this is trying to impress you. I'm not trying to do that. But what I want to impress upon you, that this is possible for you. But number one is this. Before I got rich, a billionaire, and my Lord told me this. He says you gotta dream big and you gotta raise your standards. You might say, what do you mean, Wesley? Let me show you. Look, listen, raise your standards. The question is, who are you? Are you a king? Are you a queen? Are you a poor person? Are you a person that's broke? Raise your self-image about yourself. Whoever you are, put it everywhere. I got it on my card. Don't be afraid to be the best. Come here. Come here. Don't be afraid to be the best. Come here. Let me share something with you. Don't let anybody tell you what's not possible. Learn more below. Let's go.